Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an EA account. If you want to play games like EA Sports FC, Apex Legends or The Sims but don't know how to create an EA account, here is how you do it. Launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop. In the URL box type in ea.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official homepage of Electronic Arts, from where you'll need to go ahead and click on the human icon at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, to create a new account, click the Create Account button. If you already have an account, you can click on Sign In and log into your account. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and create an account using one of these accounts options. You can create an account with Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox or PlayStation. Or you can also manually enter your country or your region, your date of birth and click on Next. On the next page, enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. Make sure you have a correct email, and once you do, if you want to receive EA products, email, news, events and promotion, check this little square box. If not, leave it unchecked and click Next. On the next page, verify your email address. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from EA. Click open the email and you'll receive a verification code in it. Type it down in the text box. Click Next once done. Right after you do that, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and choose an EA ID and password. After creating your EA ID, go to the password field and enter a strong password you want to use for your account. Finally, click on I have read and accept button at the bottom and finally click Create Account. Right after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for EA. And that's it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.